Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don receive National Information Technology Merit Award (NITMA) 2023 from Nigerian Computer Society (NCS) for his astounding contribution to the development of information technology for Edo State. The award ceremony ṣẹlẹ̀ for Musin Center, Unika, Lagos State.
On behalf of Nigerian Computer Society, the organizers of National Information Technology Merit Award, this Digital Governor of the Year nominee award goes to His Excellency Godwin Obaseki, Executive Governor of Edo State.
Obaseki received the award Astounding IT Gold Merit Award 2023 barely a week after he received ZiK Price for Good Governance, wey the Advisory Board of Public Policy Research and Analysis Center (PPRAC) give am. Edo State Head of Service Anthony Okubawa Esquire, wey represent Governor Godwin Obaseki, come tok say dis award na call for more support, investment, efforts for digital information program for Edo State wey don make the state stand out, and say the governor last week receive award for good governance wey show the efforts of the governor to development and growth of the state better than e meet am, sake of say the governor dey committed to the growth and development of Edo State.
It's a call for more investment, it's a call for more effort, it's a call for more support to the digital transformation program in Edo State, which has made Edo very prominent, as you can see from the awards that happened today. His efforts have been recognized. It's something to be proud of. Don't forget, only on Sunday, Mr. Governor received the award for good governance, ZiK Award for good governance. And he was the only governor in this country that received that award. So all of these things show very clearly the efforts Mr. Governor and his team are making in developing and growing the state beyond where they met it. And it's very, very commendable.
Commissioner for Digital Economy Isiba Ogbedi Konture salute to the developmental progress of Governor Obaseki and say them they celebrate the fact say Niger and the whole world recognize say Edo State don't move forward. Sake of say Edo State now #1 for digital governance, connectivity, ICT, and also the only state where they operate the e-governance platform.
The fact that the whole world and indeed Nigeria recognizes the fact that we have moved forward in Edo State. Edo State is #1 in ICT. Edo State is #1 in digital governance. Edo State is #1 in connectivity. Edo State is the only state that has progressed technologically and digitally to the extent that MDAs today now operates on an e-gov platform like no other state does. We've gone paperless since September, and so we're proud of what we've done. We're proud of our governor. We're proud of his commitment to ICT. We're proud of his dedication to digital governance.
MD ICTA Goodluck Igbinedion and other Omoge people come talk say
it's a well-deserved award. With all the antecedents and what is happening in the Edo State, is in no doubt that Edo State has been put ahead of many other subnationals across West Africa. And this is testimony for the good job that His Excellency has done in Edo State, imparting to the lives of the people in Edo State through the implementation and deployment of IT solutions, which is the new way the world is moving today.
Nigerian Computer Society recognizes the good things and the good work he has been doing in IT ecosystem. Edo State government is doing very excellently in the IT environment. And that's why, based on that, we gave him Outstanding IT Gold Merit Award. It is a very unique award that we normally give. In fact, this year is the only governor that received that award.
So during the NITMA award, you have the IT personality, you have the states that have done very well. For instance, 2 states have been nominated there for best governor who have done a lot of investment. One of them is the Edo State governor. They look at how the governor has deepened the IT profession, especially within the state. And I think one of the things they've given the Edo State governor is his broadband penetration. That's a fiber optics cable they're laying, and then the digital process they're doing, trying to digitalize all their processes and procedures.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From TMC TV studio, Ekata Ojeisele, TMC TV News.